Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to record my editing process for a self-portrait I did the other day. I emulated like this big bouquet kind of outfit, as you can see right here. So I just wanted to edit it, but I'll definitely let my imagination take me through this process, and I hope that you enjoy it, and welcome to this video, and let's do it together. So as you can see here, I already did some frequency separation, so just some very basic editing on texture. I would like to add a curve layer, kind of like to adjust the contrast and brightness. So let's see here what we can do. Bring it a little bit up. See. Okay, now what I would like to do is just go to my layer, adjustment layer, select the color, see what we can do from there. So I'm gonna adjust my reds, really like make them pop. Let's see, I really like this like very red tone. This is pretty. And I think that's it for the reds. I don't want to touch it too much. I really like it. So now let's see for yellows. I'm gonna be experimenting a lot in this video, so if you see maybe some speed up, but you'll definitely be part of the process and see. But I'm basically gonna go through the colors and see what I like, what I don't like, and kind of like just feel what feels best for me, I guess. Okay, so now here we have our selected color. I mean, the red pops a little bit more, the yellow also like, and adjusted some blue. So right now I think that I would like to go with a gradient map. I really like this, but no, I want to keep it like with colors. Let's see, maybe orange tone, what we could do here. Let's try this one right here. Well, this one right here. It's a little bit more subtle. And I'm gonna try, let's see, luminosity sometimes very good. Let's see how the opacity might take me, where it will take me now. Okay. Oh, I kind of like this. It's like that beautiful, like vintage look. Let's see if I like something else. Let's see this one right here. Make it pop a little bit more. Let's see if I alter it. Test the other colors. Oh. I like this one. Let's try this one right here and set the opacity a little bit less. I like this. Look at it. Like this is too much, so I'm gonna decrease the opacity and see. 20, no. Okay, this is very pretty. Right now, what I would like to do is I'm gonna add curve layer and just like bring it like more shine to the face. You can see, but I'm gonna like make it like an inverse layer and just with my brush white, just want to color like the areas that I would like to highlight or just show. Let's increase this a little bit more. Okay, and now let's see. For example, you see that glow. We like that glow. Let me increase the pass it a little bit from here. Okay, now I'm just gonna add another. So you see the before and then the after. Let me like adjust this part here because I don't necessarily want the shine here. Okay. There. Okay, now I'm just gonna add another layer, another curl layer, but I want to make like the neck a little bit darker. So we're gonna grab this hardness 0 and let's make this a little bit, you know, kind of like the focus of the light to be more in the face. You can also achieve this with a gradient, but I'll take a look in just a sec. So this is the opacity 100, and then you see the before, and then you know the after when we add that like dimension, I will say. So yeah, we're having here. Now, you know, I think I would like to, yes, like I said, add a gradient. So new fill layer gradient. I would like maybe to add it here. Maybe like here or you know like on the side. Kind of like here, you see? Let's see if I scale it a little bit. There you go. I don't want to like get rid of the flowers for sure, but I do want that like colorful, beautiful light coming from one corner. No, let's try here and more like yellowy. Yellow vintage. I hope that they will have like that kind of, you know, like yellow vintage. But I guess we're gonna improvise right here. Oh, I like this. This is very pretty. But you know, definitely I would like to make it a little bit like big, like bigger. You see what I mean? Like this. Let's move it a little bit more. I wish that I could add like two. Much. Let me make it pop. Just adjusting the side. Just sometimes I like to go back to like the idea or place it somewhere else. If I place it here or if I place it here, that's also pretty. But I feel like this space for some reason is like this is special, I would say. Let's see. Okay, so I like this. Let's see, maybe make it a little bit more light dark. Oh, that's pretty too. Screen overlay. I don't know, I just like to see and kind of like what's the look. Oh, this is very pretty. For I don't know, for some reason. Oh, huh, ha ha ha. I really like this one. I like this. What do you think, guys? Look, this is the before and this is the after. I think this is nice. So I think I would like to do another one, but this time we're gonna move it around here. You see that beautiful, like, vintage, I will say, like vintage. Ooh, I think a lot of light will be best, my opinion. Let's see this one. Let's try it out and let's see if we can like make the color. Oh, this is nice. Or maybe like this is very pretty too. But I think luminosity remains like my favorite. Like this one. Okay. So you see here, this is the before and this is the after, like 100% opacity. But let me decrease it because I do like some detail in the face. I want to keep that. Okay, so I think I would like to add another curve layer. There you go, like popping that. I'm making it a little bit more bright. In contrast. But I'll see I think just focusing on the face. So be grab my brush and start just making that selection only for this part, and then I'm gonna readjust the contrast here, as we know is there. And then I'm gonna grab this one and making it a little bit not crazy, just a tiny brighter. I think like this is good. I don't want to like too like a strange. I don't want it to look like just like bright in the face, weird. You know what I mean? Let's reallocate this a little bit. And I think, oh, wait, I moved the other one. Okay, I think something like this. And now I'm gonna move this one too to something like here, like this. Wait, I kind of like the other position a little bit more. There you go. So I'm thinking again, I don't know, there's something that I would like to contrast this part. Let's see, maybe the blacks. Like tweak them a little bit more. Oh, this is nice, but I would like it just stay here. Yeah, I just want to pop the color black a little bit, not too crazy. So maybe like this, like 5. Okay, what I was thinking, I really like this. Let's see what else. I'm thinking maybe I'll add like another layer, solid color. Let's make like this one like a brownish. And let's see. I mean, without it just adds like a little tone, but like in here mostly. And I do want like something that will let me define the face a little bit more, I will say. Maybe overlay and then just a little bit more intense like that, the hair in particular. So let's invert it. And let's use my brush. Also this part right here that I just wanted to like highlight a little bit more. Just gonna do some tweaks on the maybe the gradients and a little bit of the general brightness and contrast. What can I say? I just like see the picture over and over, and then it's like, well, I think maybe adding this a little bit here. Yeah, I think I really like this. So as you see, it's like that kind of like vintage style. So this is the before and this is the after. I really like this. Thank you so much for being here in my video. I really appreciate it. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. But yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for your time. And I'm very excited to keep doing videos of, you know, my process, editing, etc. And yeah, thank you again. Have a wonderful day.